Ever typed a secret code into your iPhone's keypad? You've probably seen videos warning you about them. But are they all dangerous? Let's clear things up. Most of these codes are totally harmless. For example, typing *##0-6# brings up your phone's IMEI number. That's just information, and it's completely safe to view. It won't break your phone. However, there are other codes that open up hidden diagnostic menus. These are the ones you need to be careful with. They're meant for technicians, not for everyday users. While it can be interesting to peek inside, changing a setting you don't understand could cause real problems with your phone's performance or connectivity. So the rule of thumb is, look, but don't touch unless you know exactly what you're doing. Stay curious, but stay safe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.